Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now 8, this is the same thing as 4 times 2, right? So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, we could write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. Or we could also write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. It doesn't matter the order because they're both being multiplied, and multiplication order doesn't matter. So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal 2 to the power of 2 times 4. However, I am not going to do that. I'm simply going to solve what's in the parentheses. So 2 squared, and that is equal to 4. So now I have 4 to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of a. Now, if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, and this means that x is equal to y as long as x is greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, a is equal to 4. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2x squared. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the natural log on both sides. So now we have ln of x to the power of x, and this is equal to ln of x to the power of 2x squared. Now, an important property of logarithms is that if we have something in the form ln to the power of ln of a to the power of b, we can actually move this exponent to the front. So this would be b times ln a. So this is exactly what I'm going to do to both of these. I'm going to move the exponent, which in this case is x, and 2x squared to the front of the logarithm. So now we have x times ln x is equal to 2x squared times ln x. Now, if I factor out ln of x from this, I get ln of x times x minus 2x squared. And this is equal to 0. And now this gives me two equations. ln of x equals 0, as well as x minus 2x squared is equal to 0. For ln of x equals 0, this means that x is equal to 1. So this is one solution to this equation. And for x minus 2x squared equals 0, this is equal to x times 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. And this means that x is equal to 1 over 2, as well as x is equal to 0. However, x equals 1/2 is a solution. However, x equals 0 is not a solution, because if you plug this in, you get 0 to the power of 0, which that is not a defined value. So x equals 0 is not a solution.